Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we make a new part in Solidwork using the Solidwork software. First is symmetric, then hole to hole distance is 90, then 10 plus 10. Total distance become uh, 110 and width is 60. After selecting this, Uh, I think we are made this part from the top view. We make all the surface, extrude all the surface. Then after extrusion, we use the extrude cut command from the bottom. Okay, guys, are you understand? This center distance 20. The distance is 10. Mirror entities, mirror about. Select this line. Select the both the circle and mirror about horizontal center line. Okay, all four holes are done. After hole we make center profiles. Select the rectangle. I think okay, symmetry. This distance is 66. Both line distance is 66. Die is 60. This die 6, another is 13, both circles. The distance, both of them is 40. Tangent, radius is 10 mm. Mirror entities, mirror about horizontal center line. After horizontal line, center line, we select both the profile to vertical horizontal line using the mirror entities command. Trim unwanted lines. After trimming, I think first we extrude this. If there is any problem come, then again we change our sketch. Total height 28 plus 8 plus 3. Guys, are you understand why I make this profile like this? Because it is 3 mm and it not related to the rectangle, so I made this. If there is another option, I will complete extrude this rectangle, and again I use another command to cut out, so it become more. Why I made this part more typical, so I first extrude this, then I extrude my rectangle, and there is a this rectangle is hollow from the bottom, so I sketch um, and then I hollow from the bottom, then I use extrude cut. Okay, I will do first. Okay, I will tell you like this. Select this. First I make ribs, then I cut out from the center. This rib, um 8 mm. Ribs are ribs is common from both the end. Now our this one is completed. There is a extrude cut is pending. We select the sketch from which plane. Select the bottom. Take a rectangle line infinite length for construct. This distance is 48. Okay. Extrude cut distance is 30 mm. Now it is completed. There is a 2-3 things are pending, just like fillet. First I will tell you one more thing is pending. I take convert entities, come out from sketch, use extrude cut command, and through all. Thank you guys.